Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. And in today's video, we are going to see that if you have a scenario that you have some data into a Snowflake table and you want to publish that one and push that one into a Azure Data Lake Gen2 for any other reasons, maybe your other team is working from Gen2 to create a machine learning model or reporting or running any other things from that side. So you can do that one. And there are various solutions to achieve this goal. Either you can go for ADF, you can go for Snowpipe, either you can go for function app, or either you can go for Azure Synapse Analytics. Right. So we can go for Azure Synapse Analytics in this demo, and that is what we are going to see. And in previous video we just did opposite one, that how to push the data to a Snowflake from Azure Data Lake Gen2 and the same scenario. So we might need to leverage some of the connection which we created in previous video. You can watch that one also if required. So let's go to our Snowflake instance. In a Snowflake instance, if you see this one, that we have test db, we have test schema, and inside test db we have table called COVID cases, and in COVID cases we have a data related to that. It says that when data date was reported, which day, year, case, what was the date, which country, territory, all these details are there in this table. And now we are going to connect this one to push into our data lake Gen2. So we have a Synapse Analytics instance created for this demo. And if we go into Synapse Analytics, we have already attached one Gen2. And in previous video, we have used that COVID cases and other things. Now let me go ahead and create one table folder, new folder, where we are going to publish once again from Snowflake, right? COVID cases from Snowflake. So we are going to bring the data from Snowflakes to this folder in this file system of Azure Data Lake Gen2. So let's go to integrate tab, and we can create pipeline. We had one previous pipeline which was copying data to Snowflake from Lake. Now we are going to do a just opposite. So let's create that one, and we can do the copy data activity. So let's pull that one, copy data activity, and we need to use the source and sync databases. Let's do that one, how to create all this. So now in manage section, if we go into linked services, we have already all the creation, but let me show you that how to create that one. We can go and link services, we can select that Snowflake details, and then we have to provide that what is the account name, what is the username, password, database, warehouse. And if you go and see these details, we can grab these details from account names, username, password, which DB and compute warehouse. So then if you see, this is the location, this is the account name we have to provide, this is the table database name and table name, all these details we have to provide here. And warehouse details also, that which warehouse we have, compute warehouse. So we can go and see this one, this is that compute warehouse we have into our system, and we can go ahead, provide all the details, and if we test connection, that is going to create that one. Okay. And also we then need to create a blob connection, because copying data is not going to work from Snowflake to direct Gen2. We have to use a stage, and a stage will be blob. So in blob connection, we can go ahead and similar to that one, we can go and say that, okay, we have to create the blob storage connection, and then we have to provide the details. And just remember that account is not going to work. So we have to give the details for SAS URI, and SAS URI we can go ahead and create from blob, which you are going to use for this purpose, stage purpose. All is given into previous video. I will put the link for previous video, you can see that one. And once we go back to our integrate section, and we have this now pipeline, copy data from Snowflake to Lake, right? And then we can go for source, and we have already a Snowflake table previously created for this one, but let me create once again that Snowflake, and I can see that Snowflake table, COVID table. and we are going to use linked services as Snowflake test connection. Now it is going to pull all the table present into Snowflake test DB, and we can see all. And then I'm going to select this one. I'm going to import that schema from the details. So let me go ahead and put this one. At this point, if I preview the data, I should be able to see some data from that Snowflake table. So yeah, data is coming now. So now we can go for sync section, and sync we can create that data lake Gen2 data set, and we have to put into delimited text, and the delimited text will be that COVID lake data, and link service we are going to use the default one, and first row will be header. And now let's put that in where we are going to put. So I can browse from root because we can keep that one. It will be the file system, and we are going to put into second folder which we created, right? So file name, let's put that one, COVID from snowflake.csv. And we do not have a schema for this one. It will be copying same. So let me put this one. And if we go and try to do this one, the same thing I told that we need a blob stage. So we are going to put that as a setting, enable the staging, and we have already a blob connection, or we can go and create that one. So I'm going to leverage this one, the blob connection. And if we test connection, let's see that one. It is successful. I'm going to give a path for that one where it is the stage is going to be used. So let's publish this one. So I just published now, and now let's trigger this pipeline. The pipeline is running now. Let's go to monitor tab, and let's see that one. Pipeline sees that in progress mode. And now if we go into details of pipeline, right now activity has been queued, so it will go into running mode, in progress mode. So now it is also in progress mode. Let's see what it's doing. So it is Snowflake to read is successful. Now it already put into blob. Now it is putting blob to our storage Gen2, and 1000 row will be written as 69,900. So it failed. Let's see that one, why it is saying that failed. What is the reason for failure? Let me. Okay, cannot adopt copy behavior not specified from folder to a single file. So how it is going to do? So let's go back to our integrate tab and into flow. Let's go to setting and see that one, what we did not provide that one. Sync, what is the copy behavior? So yeah, so sync copy behavior we did not provide. So let's give that one that flatten hierarchy or merge file. Let's put that one. If there are things that we can merge that one, let's see, merge one. So if there is a multiple file into that folder, it is going to merge that one. So that is what right now we have given that an option. And let us try this. That's once again. Let's go to monitor section one more time, down one. So right now it is doing that one. Yeah, now it is succeeded also. So yeah, this pipeline is succeeded. Now if we go into our data tab, and if we see our files, right, we should be able to see, yeah, this file is present. So there are the folder, and this is the file. If we want to see that one, that data size we can see, and we can also say that, okay, can you run this query and say that one, what is the file over there. So this is coming, but if you see, this is coming like that one. For this, we can update this query, header array equals true. We can mark that one and run this once again, and let's see. So this is coming, right? This all are coming. So this is what I wanted to show you that in this demo. I hope it will be useful. Thank you.